Okay, this tutorial I will show you how to add the log into the system, set them up with room numbers, clock collecting, and later on we can link it to the gateway device. In this video I will use the handset device. This device will help us to quickly set up a bunch of rooms. If you don't have this device order, you can refer to another video. So first of all, open our application on the cell phone, switch to install device, select install door lock. Our room list will be listed in here. If you don't have the room list in your application, refer to our videos about how to download the application and sync the data to the cell phone. Okay, now I will select room 1002 to set this lock. Select it, and then it says that please activate the handheld. So I will press the power button. It will be similar with the handset. Now the application says please recall on lock. So I will touch the handset to the lock. Okay. The lock gives a long beep. That means reading is C and settings is set into the lock. Now let's see. The room is already disappeared from the list that notified is not installed, and we can see in here installed lock. So it is not shown in installed lock list. That means the procedure is not finished yet. We can do these progress to all the doors and then jump back to the main screen. We can see from here there is data update. Please scan the QR code of the encoder to sync. That means that the data is not uploaded to the server yet. So switch back to the main screen. Touch the scan icon and scan the code on our encoder. Now the data will be uploaded into the server that sets the lock. So let's jump to the list to check. Install door lock and select installed. So it is already showed in here. If you are using a RFID OLED or password OLED lock, the setup is already done for now. And if you have a gateway device, we will show you in another video about how to set it up with the gateway. Actually, this device is a fingerprint unit. It must link to the big gateway to enable issuing fingerprint on encoder.